everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about refried beans. And before anyone starts firing off with the jokes, please don't. We all know them. We've heard them all. So refried beans, you can get the cans of those, add them to your prepper pantry, get a good supply of them. They're so versatile. You can use them in a lot of things and a lot more than you think. There are a lot of recipes out there, if you look for it, that use refried beans and things you wouldn't think about. They use it as a thickener and a filler, and they're really great for getting you the fiber and protein you need in an emergency situation. All right. So refried beans, I'm not going to go into which brands are better or whatever, but stock up on refried beans. Now, if you have a garden and a bit of land and you're doing pinto beans and growing them, hey, you can can your own refried beans. Yes, you can can your own refried beans. All right. So think about it, check it out, see what you need to do to be able to do it, and take care of it and get your prepper pantry stocked up. All right. So what do I usually say? Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Even if it is the other family members who got into the refried beans without telling you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, skills. Why? By now you should know why. This is why.